Latest now on a developing story we continue to follow for you on 7 Eyewitness News. An off-duty Buffalo police officer working at Molly's Pub on the night that an Air National Guardsman was pushed down a flight of stairs there is now facing civil rights violations. He now faces also 2 decades in prison if he's convicted. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Branch is live downtown in Niagara Square.
Well, Keith, interestingly enough, there are 2 separate incidents where Rob Eloff is accused of violating someone's civil rights, both at Molly's Pub, both about 3 months apart from each other. One includes excessive force, the other unreasonable seizure. The unreasonable arrest is said to have happened the night Bill Sager was pushed down a flight of stairs inside the bar Mother's Day morning. According to the criminal complaint filed today in federal court, Eloff ordered one of Bill Sager's friends arrested when he went to go check on the unconscious Sager, who was propped up against a brick wall outside the bar. U.S. Attorney Bill Hochul says this was an unreasonable seizure, violating the friend's constitutional rights because the friend did nothing wrong here. He was also brought outside by Jeffrey Basil, who has been convicted of murder, and another off-duty Buffalo police officer, Adam O'Shea, who we're told today has not been charged federally and may not be charged in connection to this case, but we've learned the investigation into O'Shea continues. The other incident, Hochul says, happened on Valentine's Day last year. According to the U.S. Attorney, Eloff punched a handcuffed man in the face, knocked him to the ground, and then kicked him in the head. All of this while Hochul says Eloff was representing himself as a Buffalo police officer.
When an officer does cross the line and engages in violence, which is unprovoked and is unreasonable and unjustified, working with the FBI, we can and we will act.
Rob Eloff was in federal court today for an arraignment, but he walked out on his own recognizance, obviously pleading not guilty. I just got off the phone with one of Eloff's attorneys. I'm told they are not necessarily surprised by the charges and believe that charges were in fact coming and were going to be filed in federal court. I'm told this matter will either be indicted or resolved in some other fashion within the next 30 days. Whether that means pleading to this crime or not, still a fact to be seen. I've also been told that there is no indication at this point that Rob Eloff intends to resign from the Buffalo police force. He is still suspended tonight with pay. We will continue to follow this story for you and bring you new details tonight on 7 Eyewitness News at 11. We're live downtown tonight. Ed Branch, 7 Eyewitness News.